Hi everyone, today's lesson is about the song We'll Meet Again by Vera Lynn. Let's cover the right hand, the left hand, and some tips for playing the song. So right hand sounds like this. The song is in C. So we're starting off on the G, which is the fifth note of the C. A7, these are the chords, D, G. Now, why do I say that? Because the notes that we're playing are really the notes of those chords. So if you get those 5 chords in your head, the A, E, A, D, G, the song will be a little bit easier to memorize. So here's how we play it. We're starting with a G, and we're going chromatically up and down from the G. So here's what it looks like. G, F sharp, G, G sharp, G, G sharp, A, G sharp, A, F. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Okay, and you see I'm just going up and down, right? It's the notes that are right beside the other note. Until we jump to that F. So again, let's do it slowly. G, F sharp, G, G sharp, G, G sharp, A, G sharp, A, F, E, 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 D, D, C, C, B, B, C, D. Okay, the second time I'm going to do this multi-fingered melody just so you see how much fuller it sounds when I introduce more fingers, and the fingers that I'm using are the fingers that complete the chord. So the second time around, C, E, and that's just a G sharp and the B, or G sharp and the E, A, right, that's just A and the F. So now it changes, the ending is different the second time. So from the E, D, D, C, C, A, E, C. Okay, that's part A. Part B, same kind of chords, but instead of starting from the C, we're starting from the E. So we finished on this. C, D, D sharp, E, D sharp, D. Oh. C, D, D sharp, E, D sharp, E, D, C, D, E, D sharp, E, D, C, B, A, C sharp, E, D, C sharp. Okay, and those are the chords, meaning do, da, ba, E major, A major, right? That's just an A major. Up next is D major, which is D, E, F sharp, E, F sharp, E, D, E, F sharp, E, F sharp, E, D, E, G, F, E, D. What does that look like? Back to the beginning. Good. So that's the form of the song. Quite straightforward, right? We have a part A, which is C, E, A, D, G. And then part B, which is the bridge, which is, instead of starting from the C, it's E, A, D, G. And then we come back to part A. So let me show you the rhythm that I use on this song, and then I'll show you some tips on playing. So I like to do a bass, tone, tone, bass, tone, C, C sharp, G, C sharp, C sharp, C major. fingering is if you have the old style of fingering where you're using your middle finger, you might have some trouble with this rhythm, in which case just do a normal oompa oompa. Or an alternate bass if you can, right? That's normal oompa. The way that I like to play it is a little bit more jumpy. That oompa, oompa, oompa. And it sounds like this. Right? So you're doing that oompa, 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 oompa. And the chords are C major, E major, A major for 2, D major for 2, to G. And I do like to do that with a G, so but I know we'll meet again some sunny day. Up. And then that's just a G7. Or if you're comfortable, you could do a walk-up, which is G, A, B, C. Right? Now we'll meet again some sunny day. And the fingering I'm using there are G, normal, my ring finger, then pointing finger on the A, ring finger on the B, and land with my ring finger on the C. So ba 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 ba. And you can also duplicate that, right, with your right hand. Good. Once we're done that first part, ba 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 ba. E major or E7, A major, D major, G, right? So it's a straightforward song in that you don't have to think whether it's a major or minor. The entire song is in majors. So don't worry about playing the minor. Hit the sevenths if you want, where it's written in the sheet music and where it sounds good. But otherwise, the whole song can be played in major. Yeah. Ba 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 ba. Good. Some playing tips. I like to play the song slowly. It has this like heaviness to it, right? It takes its time. It's not... No, it doesn't do that. It can, but I really like to sit on that. It has that New Orleans kind of lilt, right? So feel free to play around with that. The other thing that I do, some playing tips, is I do that kind of wobble on the right hand. And I do it when I'm completing the chords. So instead of just doing, you know, if you're playing with a whole chord, so C, and I'm rocking my fingers, all three, so I'm hitting the G sharp, the D, and the B. See what that sounds like. Don't overuse it, but I think it sounds great. Right? Give it a try. I don't know what the musical term for that, but let's call it a wobble, almost a shake, right? It's not a bellow shake, which is the left hand doing that. It's just the right hand. Give it a try, see what it's like. Anything else? Yeah, it's a beautiful little song. I hope you enjoy playing it. Thank you.